Welcome back, Newliners. Lauren here. Today, we're going to explore how you can import audio and video files directly into your whiteboard. From your whiteboard, locate the three horizontal dots in the bottom left-hand corner and tap. You'll see there is a plethora of choices here under the Add tab. Go ahead and scroll all the way until you see video and audio there at the bottom. Let's start with video. Go ahead and tap on video, and the menu will pop up here. You can, of course, import videos that are saved directly to the photos or albums on the panel itself. Or in this case, I'd like to pull from my Google Drive. I'm going to tap on the vertical three lines here in the upper right-hand corner of this menu. Then I'm going to click on Browse to browse the different drives that I have. In this case, maybe this drive is not what I'm looking for. Remember, your menu button is the horizontal three lines in the upper left-hand corner here. From here, I can locate my Google Drive, OneDrive, and of course, if you have a USB thumb drive plugged into the front, that would also be located here. In this case, I'd like to pull from my Google Drive. So I will tap on my Google Drive. This will bring me to my homepage. I will click on my drive and find where I have my audio and video files located. In this case, it's this video file here, so I simply tap on it, and it will be imported here into my whiteboard. I can, of course, utilize the menu here to make it full screen, and then press play. In this case, it's just a 1-minute timer. I can also make that small screen, or I can move it on the upper left-hand or right-hand corner, of course, and utilize my annotation tools here to take notes along with my students as the timer goes. Of course, I can utilize these little arrows here to resize completely and make that even smaller. Whatever works for you, works for me. Now let's take a look at the audio file. Again, the three buttons are in the bottom left-hand corner. I'm going to tap on there and then again scroll until you see audio. It is the very last one on that menu. Tap on audio and it is going to bring me to my drive as I just accessed it. Once you navigate to which drive, thumb drive, Google Drive, or OneDrive you'd like to pull from, simply tap on the sound and it will import here into your whiteboard. I can then, of course, move this around the panel if I wanted to take some notes with my students here. And I'm going to go ahead and press play on this, so that sound is already playing here in the background. Audio files and video files are great to use alongside meetings or in your classroom. Take an opportunity to check out audio and video imports from the horizontal three dots here on the bottom left-hand corner of your whiteboard. Hope this helps, and we'll see you next time.